What can 50,000 naira do for you in this particular economy? The truth is that there are a lot of people, if they have 50,000 naira, they believe that that particular amount of money cannot do anything for them, because based on the economy of Nigeria today, 50,000 naira might not be much. That's not the case here, because today I want to share with you guys different investments that 50,000 naira or below 50,000 naira can actually help you to invest in this particular economy in 2026, especially if you are a complete beginner. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of my video, and you're on my channel. I talk about different side hustles that you can start just with your smartphone. If you want to get more content from me, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content coming your way. Guys, please, happy new month in the comment section. Type it down below. Happy new month, guys. Also comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. Don't forget to join my community. Click on that join button and support the effort. Join the community. So let's get started. Now, if you're not from Nigeria, convert 50,000 naira to your local currency and tell me how much that will be in the comment section. Use that value in your currency in your own country and tell us what that amount can do for you in your own location. Right now, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just based on my experience, and this is my own opinion. There is something called opinion. I have my own opinion. You have your own opinion. So if my opinion does not match yours, you are feel free to do more research. So this is just an opinion. This is just an idea. You can decide to act on it, you can decide not to act on it. So I'm not giving you any guarantees. This is not a financial advice. This video is just meant for educational purpose only. Okay, so let's get started. The world, as you and I know, has changed. This is 2026, and 2026 comes with different types of side hustles. First investment I have on my mind, or in my mind right now, that I think you can go with 50,000 and below is for you to invest into AI. Invest into AI. How does this work? In the world of today, a lot of people are actually earning money through AI, like on TikTok, on Facebook, and even on YouTube using AI. And the thing is that some other people are not earning that particular amount of money. The reason is because the way those people use the AI with the way these other people use the AI, they are not the same. Free AI tools are limited, and they will not serve you the way you want it to be, and there might be some restrictions, watermark, and a lot of other challenges that might not make that your video to go viral. Truth is that one of the key factors that make people's content to go viral on social media, or people AI content to go viral, is because they are actually using the pro versions of those AI. Compare a pro version of an AI produced content and a free version. They are not the same thing. So that's why I'm going to tell you the first thing you should actually invest into right now in 2026 is for you to invest into AI softwares, into AI tools like Gemini, tools like Grok, tools like Imagen, tools like Midjourney, tools like Hixfield AI. There are a lot of different AI tools. Choose the one that actually aligns with your content. Tools like ChatGPT. Now, a lady asked a question: what's the difference between a paid ChatGPT and a free ChatGPT? Now, the truth is that most of you don't know that ChatGPT free version is actually limited. Most of you don't know because you have not used it to that particular limit. ChatGPT free version has a lot of limits, so that's why you can actually go for the pro version for you to get more out of the software. So the first investment I'm going to recommend for you now in this 2026 is for you to invest into AI software. Look around you. One of the things you're going to notice is that there are a lot of different podcasts everywhere. Audio quality is very, very important to boost your podcast. One of the things I'm going to recommend for you to learn in 2026, or for you to invest into in 2026, and you can start with 50k and below, is for you to become an audio engineer. Yes, I know most of you never thought of that. Become an audio engineer. Go and learn how to become an audio engineer, because it's one of the most valued skills right now. It's a high potential in audio engineering because there are a lot of podcasts, a lot of content creators, a lot of things coming up that concerns the media. The next investment that you can invest with 50,000 naira and below in Nigeria today is called investing into surveys. I know most of you never expected that from me. Most people that are actually using surveys to earn online in Nigeria currently are actually putting in a lot of investment into that. Now, for you to complete surveys in Nigeria and be profitable with it, you have to invest into different kind of tools for that to be profitable. And one of those tools is something they call proxy or VPN. Now, there are a lot of people, or there are a lot of professionals that are taking surveys in Nigeria that they are actually using that. Number one, for you to stay safe on the internet, and number two, for you to be able to use it successfully or access some kind of platform successfully. Consider investing into proxies or into VPNs. That is number one. Solomon, what type of proxy are you using, or what type of proxy are we going to be investing into? The proxy I personally use is this one they call proxysellers.com. That's where I buy my proxy because they're actually affordable. Also, if you decide to use my promo code while you're getting proxy from these particular people, they're going to give you up to 15% to 20% or 10% based on the kind of proxy you're actually going to buy. So I'm going to drop it down for you below so that you can actually check it out. And another way you can also invest into survey, invest into knowledge, because I know there are some of you, or there are most of you, that don't know much about online survey. Look for somebody that already knows more about you when it comes to survey. For example, I created a course about online surveys right here in Nigeria. You can check my Selim account. It's actually there. You can go over there and check it out. Then you're going to learn how you can start surveys right here in Nigeria. Not just that, I created a WhatsApp group for surveys. We discuss survey, we talk about surveys, we share websites, we share our challenge, we also share our result. It's actually on WhatsApp. Investing into survey is one of the investments you can make with 50,000 naira or below 50,000 naira right here in Nigeria. Online surveys has its own challenges. So online survey has its own pros and cons. Feel free to learn very, very well before you start online surveys, guys. So recently on the news, Dangote came up and said that his refinery, Dangote's refinery, that they are going to start selling their shares very, very soon. Now, that brings us to the next investment that you can invest in Nigeria with 50,000 or below 50,000 naira, which is called investing into the stock market. Some of you don't even know how to go about it. I've made a lot of videos talking about the stock market. A few months ago, I bought some stocks from Stanbic IBTC Bank. I bought these stocks at the rate of 54 naira per share from Stanbic IBTC Bank. Right now, this particular stock is worth 126 naira per share. This is completely insane. Even if I want to sell it now, I will sell it and make a whole lot of profit, right? So that is one thing about the stock market. You can buy when the market is low and sell it when it's actually high, and you make profit from that. And one thing I like about the stock market is that it's very cheap. Always consult a professional broker to tell you what to do or to tell you how to go about it if you're a complete beginner that don't know anything about it. Or you can learn from professionals on YouTube. I am not a professional. I'm still learning more about the stock market. Dangote Refinery will start selling their shares very soon, and whenever they drop it, I would like to buy that because I believe that is one of the biggest companies in Nigeria right now. Even if it's at 500 naira per share, I'm going to buy it and keep, so that if it fluctuates tomorrow, I will sell it and make some profit for myself. And some of these companies, they offer what they call dividends. They say thank you for buying our stocks, or thank you for being a shareholder in our company. They give you dividends. So let's move to the next one. So 1 week ago, I came up here and I made a video about the dividends that I got from a mutual fund I invested into, and some people commented a lot of comments. Now, the next investment that you can invest right here in Nigeria with 50,000 naira and below is called investing into mutual fund. It's very, very important. I have tried it for 1 year, and so far it's actually amazing. And one of the reasons why it's actually amazing is because some of them sell 100 naira per unit, 500 naira per unit, and secondly, your capital is actually safe. The only thing that will change is the profit you collect. A platform you can use to buy mutual fund is called CareerWise. You can use CareerWise app. The one I use personally is called Optimus by Afriverse, but they changed the name recently. And I talked about stock market. If you want to invest into stock market, you can try Bamboo. Bamboo can help you do that, or you can try Trove. Personally, I use Trove. These are 5 different investments you can start now in Nigeria with 50,000 naira and below, and you can actually make some good profit out of it with time. Number 1, invest into AI softwares. Number 2, become an audio engineer, pay and learn that particular skill. Number 3, learn survey, pay for knowledge. Or you can decide to go for the stock market, buy stocks, monitor different big companies, buy when the price is down, sell when the price is actually high, and some profit. buy from companies that offer dividends, or you can go for mutual fund which your capital is safe and you get your dividends every three months or every quarter. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Which of them are you currently using, or which of them will you go for in 2026? Do you know about any of them? You knew about them before now? Just drop your opinion. And if you have any that you're using, any side hustle that you're using that somebody can start below 50k, just let us know in the comment section, guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.